In today's video, I'm going to show you Embroom Embroidery Stitch Book review. Is it a legit or scam product? The Embroom Embroidery Stitch Book is a real product being sold online, but numerous independent buyer reports strongly suggest the site and product are not trustworthy or worth the advertised price. On Trustpilot, the Embroom.com shop has overwhelmingly negative feedback, around 97% one-star reviews, with customers calling it a scam or low-quality knockoff rather than a useful stitch reference book. These reviewers describe receiving tiny, flimsy books with no proper instructions and items that don't match the marketing photos, sometimes arriving so poorly constructed that stitching on the double-sided pages is impractical. Multiple buyers say the product lacks essential materials, no embroidery floss, unclear or missing diagrams, and extremely poor print quality. And some discovered that the designs appear to be copied from another creator's work under the garden moon without permission. This has led to accusations of counterfeiting and stolen design content, not just bad quality. Shipping and customer service complaints are also common, with people reporting long delivery times, untrackable shipment details, vague courier info, and unresponsive support. When refunds are offered, the company sometimes suggests sending the item back to Europe at your own cost or only partial refunds, which further frustrates buyers and raises credibility concerns. Community discussions on Reddit also reflect disappointment. Even when the physical item arrives, people note the small size, poor usability, and lack of clear stitching guidance, making it much less useful than other embroidery stitch books created by reputable publishers or independent designers. Bottom line, the Embroom Embroidery Stitch Book isn't a full scam in the sense that something doesn't arrive at all, but it's widely considered a low-quality, overpriced, and potentially counterfeit product with poor materials, sketchy shipping, and bad customer support. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.